what I'm going to be doing this week is going through a few funnels, because people have been asking what type of funnels do we use to send traffic through or from Facebook through to become leads for your business. Now, a funnel is, like I explained in the past, is literally just cold traffic going to the top with some sort of content, working all the way through, and then at the bottom becoming getting some sort of conversion out of the traffic that you've taken, that you grabbed from whatever channel you use to send traffic. We're going to be talking about Facebook. So what I'm going to call this series is Facebook Funnels. And today is number 1. Some of them will be easy, some of them will be a little bit more difficult, but today I'm going to start with a sort of medium one. We'll just call this one, I don't know, let's call it the video to call to action funnel. So for this funnel, number 1 is going to be video to CTA. Okay, so video to call to action. So what do you need to be able to do this funnel? Okay, 1, obviously the funnel. Now the funnel in this particular example is going to be a strategy. Because we're not going to be using physical software or additional software, things that's going to cost a lot of money, we're going to be doing as low cost as possible. So I'm going to put this funnel like that, because this one does not have additional software that you need. So this is a strategy, a funnel strategy. Second thing that you're going to need is audiences. Because you're going to be targeting people at different points in time with different audiences. So you'll have a cold audience, because that's the top of funnel. Then you'll have a warm audience. And I'm going to have 2 of them to be able to do this funnel. And I'll explain it in detail later. So warm 1 and warm 2. So those are the audiences you're going to need. And third, you're going to need to use the lead form ability that we get in Facebook. That's why we don't need the additional software. So Facebook funnel series, today number 1, we're going to be talking about video to CTA, video to call to action. So let me draw this out for you. Remember guys, this is all live. So excuse my drawing skills, not one of the things that I am renowned for. Okay. So first of all, we're going to start, I'm going to stand on this side, hopefully you guys can see. So we'll have Facebook. This is where we're going to get traffic from. I'm going to put here Facebook cold traffic. That's the start of the funnel. And this is going to cost money, whichever country you're in. Okay? That will cost money. Okay? You're going to send traffic to a video. And in this video, you will explain whatever your product is about. I'm not going to give you all the info, like all the detail on how to create a video. That's a different training at a different time or a different day altogether. This is just a funnel. So I'm sending cold traffic to a video. Then Facebook gives you the ability to create audiences based on how much people have watched your video. So right, first of all, we're going to take everybody that's watched 25% or more of this video, and we're going to send them to your lead form. Lead form, like that. And people can put in their name, their email, and their phone number, and you give them something. So what would the present look like? Just do it like that. You give them a little present for a name, email, and a phone number. Okay? Then, once they finish there, you take them to a thank you page. In this case, on Facebook. Again, this is a lead form, and this is the Facebook thank you after lead form. Right. So this is sort of the funnel. But what happens to, because I said 3 audiences, a cold audience and 2 retargeting. So we've got the 25% audience that we're going to retarget to the lead form. And then what we're going to do is we're going to say, everybody that's watched 10 seconds of the video, we're going to send back to that video with Facebook. And that again is going to cost a bit of money to do. Okay. Right. So what do? We take Facebook's 20 million South Africans, if you're in South Africa, let them watch a video. If they've watched 25% or more of your video, you send them to your lead opt-in, send them through your funnel, and then you contact them from here. This is now a lead that you're going to be following up with. If they've watched 10 seconds of your video, you send them back to this video until they watch 25, and then you send them down here. So in this case, obviously, you're going to say you're going to create an audience. So let's look at the two warm audiences. So let's start off first. Cold audience. And you can decide how you want to create this. If you've got a list of customers, make a lookalike. A lookalike of paying customers. Okay, that's option number one. Number two, create an interest audience. So if you're in the sports space, anybody that's interested in your type of sport. If you're in the motor vehicle space, anybody who's interested in that type of motor vehicle space. If you're a local business, you're going to create a radius audience, 10 kilometers around your business, all that stuff that can happen inside Facebook. And there's a whole lot more, but those are some of the basic ones. That's your cold traffic. Warm traffic audiences, which is going to be, obviously, your 10-second audience. 10-second video view. That's going to be number one. And the second one is going to be your 25-second video view minus your 10-second video view. Makes sense? So that audience goes there. That audience goes there. That makes sense? Okay. So this is today's funnel. Cold traffic to a video, retarget to a lead form, from a lead form to a thank you page, and then you do your follow-up. Without the follow-up, it's useless trying to get leads in anyway. So people who watch 25% or more of your video, send them to a lead form. If they watch less than 25%, send them to back to the video to watch. So how long should this video be? Depends where you want to put it. Under 1 minute. If you want to do it on Facebook and Instagram. If you find Facebook is enough for you, and this is obviously something you're going to have to test. I would say probably 3 to 5 minutes max. Okay, let's see if I can do this. Do that. Under 1 minute for that one. That one 3 to 5 minutes plus. So this is not really. This one on my green as well, so you can see that's an audience. That's an audience. And these are audiences. Okay. And that is pretty much all this funnel is about. Easy to set up, easy to use, easy to get leads, easy to follow up. If you guys got any questions about this, tomorrow we'll tackle another one. Let us know in the comments below. We'll answer. Again, anything else you want us to cover in these daily trainings, let us know. But yeah, that is it. The way to run ads on Facebook. Definitely one of the most successful type of funnels that we run online. Okay, that's it. Facebook funnels number one done.